So you might have observed when you leave your Windows 11 operating system unattended, for example, you are downloading something and download is pretty long and you want to have a break, and you might have observed that your Windows 11 operating system goes to sleep after few minutes or some hours depending on the configuration. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable that sleep mode or the hibernation mode. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your settings app. You can open the settings app by just searching for the settings app in the search section, and you can click on the settings app here, or you can right click on the Windows start icon and then click on settings, which is going to open the settings app here, right? Once the settings app opens, you need to select systems on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you will be able to see this option which says power and battery. So just click on this option. Now here you will be able to see under power, screen and sleep. So just expand this option and you will be able to see several options here. So for example, on battery power, turn off my screen after 5 minutes. So when your laptop is on battery power, your screen will be turned off after 5 minutes, right? Similarly, when plugged in, turn off my screen after 10 minutes. Similarly, on battery power, put my device to sleep after 15 minutes, and when plugged in, put my device to sleep after 30 minutes. So this is the sleep mode configuration of your Windows 11 operating system, right? So in order to change it to go to sleep or turn off your screen never, you have here the option to choose never here, right? So you can see you can choose never, and then you can also choose never here, and you can see all these options are now never. This means that your device will not go to sleep or hibernation mode when you leave your computer, right? This is a good option when you are doing some long running job, for example the download of some software or some other things. You can just choose this option. So this was the first way in which you can just turn off your sleep mode of your Windows 11 operating system. Let me show you the second way. For the second way, you need to search for the control panel on your search bar. So just search for control panel and then just click on control panel here, and then just select view by category, and then select hardware and sound option here, and then select power options here, right? And you will be able to see this link here which says change power settings. So I'm going to just click on this option. You can see because we have chosen never in the settings here, you can also see never here for turn off the display and put the computer to sleep, right? So you can just click on restore default setting for this plan, which means that these all settings will be restored to the default. I will show you that in a second, but what I want to show you here is when you click on change advanced power settings, you will be able to see this window, and from here also you can select a different option for your power. So for example, when you leave your computer, it's going to turn off your hard disk after 10 minutes, right? And in plugged in mode, it's 20 minutes, right? So you can also increase this option also if you are doing some task related to your hard disk, right? And then you have the sleep option, sleep after, because we have chosen never here, so you will see never here. Hibernation, you can see it's a long time in my computer. If you want to change it, you can also change this also, right? So when I click on this, I have the option to change it to never, and then allow wake up timer. You can see it right now, it's disabled by default, but you can also change this also. You also have the display turn off settings, which will be never because we have already chosen never in the settings. Now when you want to set everything to the default plan setting, you can just click on restore default settings for this plan and then click on yes here, and it's going to restore everything as default. Here you see this was the time which was default time for the display and the sleep, and these times are set to default now, right? Also here you will be able to see when you just once again go to the systems and then once again go to battery and then click on screen and sleep. Here you can see everything is default because we have set everything to the default using this option, right? So this is how you can turn off and on your sleep mode on your Windows 11 operating system.